Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your headphones Philips. And the first one, you don't need to use your phone when you listen to music or watching a movie. We have a controls on the headphones, and at the left right here we have multifunctional buttons, so we can play pause music, we can answer or finish the call by pressing on it, or we can call voice assistant, just press and hold on this multifunctional button. Also we have a volume control, it's a plus and minus button, so volume up is to just press on the plus button and volume down is to lower the music. But also, if you press and hold on this volume up button, you will play next track, and if you press and hold on this minus button, you will play previous track. Next, these earbuds have LED light right here, and we can enable it in the application. We have 3 modes for it: slow blink, fast blink, or always on. So just choose something good for you. And I don't know why it don't work in right now. It worked before. And we can also try to use a control for it. Oh yeah, and as you can see, it actually works. There is some bug, I guess. If you have some trouble with these earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset by just pressing hold the volume up and volume down button at the same time for at least 5 seconds. So you just press and hold and you can fix a lot of problem with it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.